These are tools you need to serve. This is a wine key. It's very basic. This one is going to help you get under the lip because it has this extra piece. Get under the lip of the label, really be able to hook on and pull out the key faster and easier, even if it's super dry and old wine. This is a decrumber. You can wear it on your shirt, as you can see, but you decrumb, you scoop the crumbs off. This is a punny beer opener. Use it on the side to open all sorts of sodas. Save your nails. It says bust a cap. This is my how do you say it, the throne show opener.